Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SOLIDWORKS training tutorials. In this lesson, we're going to look at gear mates. And we're going to create the desired motion between a number of gears. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you open up the gears part, so the gears of the assembly here, if I zoom into that, you'll see that these are all sort of free to float. I'm just going to undo that just to line them up again. And all we're going to do is just do a number of mechanical mates. So using the gear mates option on each of these. So we've got to do one with each of the smaller gears with the large gear in the middle. And then we've got to pick any one then to do it with the outside, the internal spur gear. So let's get started doing this. So as I say, it doesn't matter which one you start with. So if I pick that and that, and click OK, and I'm going to try and see if this is actually lined up already for us. Otherwise you'd have to kind of line up these individual. Let's take a chance on that. And if I select then a gear, this and this, and the final one, gear, this and this, okay. And then, as I said, the outside one then, so it's gear again, and this one, and this one. And click OK, and OK. Now, let's see if they even going in the right direction yet. So lucky for us, they had them sort of lined up. Go normal too, so you can see it's square on. So you can see they're kind of fitting in. And again, it's just a visual thing, so that's it. As I say, if you go sort of moving these around, well then you got a wee bit of a job sort of lining these up, and then you have to line the inside one to the outside, and it's kind of a bit of a chore, but you could kind of do little sketches and kind of line them up accurately, but depends on. At the end of the day, it's just a visual thing you're kind of getting. It's not like you're getting any great degree of accuracy. You can see the gap in it there. So that's that little gear. So it's kind of short. It looks, as I say, it looks more complicated, but it's short. Again, thanks for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, and please, if you could, give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Thanks. Bye.